I'm Jojo. I'm Bobo.
And I'm Coco.
And welcome to Guardians of the Turtles. Today we will be drawing Mrs. P and Mr. P from Peppa Pig.
Yeah, and also thank you so much for a little over 10 subscribers. And if we reach 50 subscribers, we're going to do a video on how to get a legendary golden penguin and adopt me.
Roblox.
Yeah, so
Okay.
What do we need to do?
Okay,
Bobo?
so you need a yellow colored pencil, a brown colored pencil, and a red colored pencil.
And sorry if we're going quick.
Yeah. Okay, so draw two oval shapes. They can be any size. They can be tiny. They can be big.
I think they get it.
Okay, so first we're going to start on Mrs. P. So we're going to start with her flowers. So draw a circle and then draw the flower petals. And then erase the lines inside of the flower. And you can retrace over the lines. And then you can make them holding hands later on. And then here's their arms, her arms. And then draw her feet and make it kind of flat at the bottom of her foot.
Yes, because people have flat feet.
Oh, and if you guys want, if you want to add, once we get to Mr. P, you guys can totally add the little, gun part that is in Piggy.
Yeah.
You guys can totally add that.
Yeah, just we're drawing the one from Peppa Pig. And then draw circles in the eyes.
This is the demon part.
And then color those in.
Yeah, like demons. It literally looks like Mrs. P is being abducted by alien bears of some sort.
Alien
And they
bears?
decided to turn her into one banana potato form.
Okay, now you can start drawing Mr. P and you can make their hands holding now. And then draw his other hand, of course. And then draw his feet the same way you did as Mrs. P. And then we need to draw his cowboy hat. So make a circle like this and then kind of round it out like that.
And remember, you can pause the video anytime you want.
Yeah. And then make a bump on his cowboy hat. And then erase the lines inside.
Kind of looks like a hot dog at the start.
Yeah!
Okay. Now, draw the eyes the same way you did as Mrs. P. And color them in. Okay. Now we're going to start coloring. So you need a yellow colored pencil and color in the inside of Mrs. P's flower. And then color the potato. We will draw her mouth. We will draw her mouth in a second.
So you guys can also pick if you want it to be yellow and yellow orange, or just yellow, or just orange. But we are going to just be doing yellow today.
Yeah.
But actually, that's honestly pretty good. Mine do not like Mr. P. Oh wow, Mr. P, you've been through some tough times, huh?
And then get your red colored pencil and draw her mouth.
Okay.
Red, because she always has her red lips.
Okay.
And then we're going to start on this.
I just realized this is the only vegetable in Peppa Pig. Well, that I can remember, because it was so long ago since I've watched Peppa Pig.
And then color in Mr. P. I'm sorry if it looks creepy.
Yeah, we're so sorry, but that's the way it's going to go.
Mine looks ridiculous.
Mine looks terrible. And don't color the cowboy hat.
Okay, and then we're gonna need the brown. Draw his beautiful, beautiful mustache. And then color in his cowboy hat. We will draw his mouth in a second. Okay, now draw his mouth. And
That's a big mouth.
there's Mr. P and Mrs. P.
Wait, so here's mine. This is Jojo. Look at the Mr. P. It's remarkable. Okay. And Coco's is, Coco's is beautiful as well. Here, let's just show you. Thanks anyways.
And thank you for watching.
Yeah.
More videos will be out soon.
Yeah, so bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.